Hi
Never
guys,
tried
well timed. Hi guys, I'm Zach from NoDogs Media, and in today's video, I am here with Mr. Sheldon, who's in his Audi R8. Say hello, Mr. Sheldon.
What is up?
There we go.
That
And
is all.
yeah, that is all. And in today's episode, we are going to be doing a built versus bought, which basically one of us is going to go get a really expensive sports car, and then the other one is going to take a I don't know, a shitbox essentially. We're going to take a shitbox and we are going to attempt to make it faster for a percentage of that car's budget. So Sheldon has picked his car. We are keeping this a little bit of a secret. So that it'll be a little bit more of a surprise to me on what exactly his car is. However, he has revealed to me that his car cost $242,000. We decided to do it by 40%, but that was just slightly off 100,000, so we decided to do 100,000. So that is my budget. So that is my budget, I should note, for my car and all modifications. So it's going to be pretty dodge. Also, we also decided that I have to pick a car from the same decade. So if he's picked a car from the 2010s, I have to pick a car from the 2010s. So I need to re-filter this because I was looking with him at what cars, but I actually need to see all of the cars. Oh.
So many people think I own an R8 now.
Oh, on Instagram, I assume everyone's like messaging you.
Yeah.
Debated.
Yeah, debated bitches.
Okay, I think I've decided what I'm gonna get. Surprise to surprise.
It's a Miata.
It is a Miata.
The new one.
It's an NC. So not the newest shape. I really like this livery, so we're gonna do this. Alright, so I need to use my calculator quickly because I can't do math for shit. I will note to Mr. Sheldon that this is not just going to be a drag race and see who has now the fastest car. This is going to be...
Indeed.
Yeah, this is going to be... We're probably going to do a best out of 3. We'll pick 3 different kinds of events and see who does the best. For people interested, I can't remember if I mentioned it, I had 74,000 to modify my car, and that over there, 73,250 is what I ended up using. So I've pretty much scraped as much as I could from that budget. Ah, of course.
You know I had to go for the R8.
Yeah, you had to represent.
It was the best bang for the buck.
Yeah, damn, actually.
See if you can find the small change I made with the color, well, not with the color, but with paint and vinyls and whatnot.
A few moments later.
Oh, nice. Let me quickly explain to the viewers what we are going to do. We're going to start with a drag race because that's pretty even, that's pretty normal. And then whoever loses the drag race can pick the next event, the second event. And again, whoever loses can then pick the third event if it gets that far. But best out of 3 wins. So if, for example, Sheldon wins both the drag race and then whatever I choose to be the second race, Sheldon just automatically wins and I lose the built versus bought, of which I'm going to be honest, now that I'm looking at his car, I am really not confident. Actually, I'd be interested in some stats and stuff if you wanna check some stats.
Ooh, our stats are super close. I'm 836, you're 832.
Ooh, actually, okay, wait, but now horsepower figures and stuff though?
I'm sitting on 610 horsepower.
Oh, okay. Well, Ripperino me in the drag race.
With 560 newton meters of torque.
Okay, I'm actually not... I'm like 100 points less than you in torque. Well, not necessarily 100, but yeah. And then how much do you weigh?
1.5.
Yeah, I'm 1 ton 18 kilos, so I'm quite light.
You're a lot lighter, yeah. Should we go on my honk?
Yeah, we can go on your honk.
Alright.
And as predicted, my little rear-wheel drive can't keep up, my dude. You're 600
the all-wheel
horsepower and you're
drive.
gone, dude.
Alright.
And that went pretty much as predicted. Who would have thought that an
expected.
Audi R8 was about a mince a turbocharged Miata? So I think for our second challenge, and something that will probably benefit me, is I want to do a drifting challenge. Alright, our next event, as I chose, will be drifting. We have come here to the Reservoir drift zone and we are going to see what we can do. My only hope is that Sheldon, because he's all-wheel drive, it's going to slightly compensate on my behalf. It'll reduce points because he's all-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive drifting is mildly OP. This is going to sound weird. I'm going to start from up here. Oh no, this car is so slow, dude. I'm so thankful it's raining right now.
Alright, 1 second, I'll be right back while you drift.
No problem. I'm trying to throw this car as hard as humanly possible to get as much angle as possible. I'm so glad that that car ghosted for me. Nearly went off.
Alright, I'm back. How's the race going?
I'm just crossed the line now. Mr. Sheldon, off you, pal.
Alright, you
Hopefully
can see me now, right?
Yeah.
Alright. This is a lot more difficult than it looks.
I can imagine.
So much traction, even in the rain. Damn Audis.
This is not the best film work in the world, but
So how it works is I basically have to like just pick up speed and throw it in.
yeah, I mean, I was actually having the same problem, so. Oh, and you've ghosted. So you're gonna have to just tell me the score. I think.
Oh no.
I think it's a little bit too far for the drone to follow.
Alright, I got 240,100 and something.
Okay, I got 320 or 322,000. Not sure exactly
nice.
how much, but yeah. Yay! So I'm the winner of the second challenge. Yay!
Curse you, all-wheel drive.
Celebratory donuts. Whee! Alright, so Mr. Sheldon, since I lost, I mean I won, and you lost because loser. Anyway, it is it is your turn to pick a challenge.
Okay.
A toge. Down or
Yes.
up the hill?
uphill.
Uphill. Dude, you're gonna kill
Yeah.
me.
Indeed.
大ゲバトル
Alright.
I'm blind. Oh no, now it's not time.
Same.
Wait. Wait. Why did we go before?
Yeah. I'm not complaining, but I'm off the road. I'm off the road. I'm just doing this so that you get a head start.
Yeah, sure, bud. Sure, bud. I'm not going to be talking much YouTube. I'm properly concentrating. Oi! Get out of my way!
Clean overtake!
Get out of my way!
I refuse!
Oh no, you made me lose balance a little bit and I ended up spinning. Yo, what's this corner cutting you doing there?
I'm all-wheel drive, I use all terrain.
I believe that would be four-wheel drive, not all-wheel drive.
Hey, all four wheels are turning. That's what counts.
I do catch you in the corners, but I don't think it's enough for what you do in the straights. I should have made my gearing more aggressive.
Do you have wider tires?
Yes, I do. This is essentially a fully maxed out with stock engine, I should mind you.
Okay.
In a Miata. A little NC Miata.
Yeah, I struggle a bit with traction.
Yeah, I don't really have a problem with traction. Yeah, look how much I caught you in those corners. Oh my word. Oh, but you're gonna mincemeat me here.
Maybe, I don't know, it's got a bit of a There we go, I had to do a bit of a
Oh, I'm so close to you, but I'm not gonna win. No!
Yes! Yes, the final stretch! For the victory! For the win! Yes!
You know what?
Holy shit, you just
what?
blinked behind me.
You know what? I call for that toe gaze or uphill and downhill. So we can do the race uphill, but we gotta also do it downhill. Because I think if I had the downhill advantage, where weight, where horsepower doesn't have as much effect, I think I'd actually be faster than you. Downhill, toge, battle! I'm gonna go find the dude who does that voice, and I'm gonna go like edit that in.
大ゲバトル
Okay, I was gonna say, can I get the hit so you leave when I leave? Because they will just...
Yeah,
they
that's
will
usually
just-
how it goes, isn't it?
Actually, yeah. I suppose in genuine toge.
Yeah. Like the
Okay.
previous winner starts from the back then.
Yeah.
I actually waited a little longer for you.
You might... shouldn't have, actually. That might be a little bit too biased. But it's fine, I'm drifting now. By mistake, because I'm not paying attention to what I'm doing. Anyway, so Sheldon and I decided to redo this race because it was super duper close between us the first time, so hopefully we get a good race out of this. Yeah, you catching on the straights.
But I don't want to knock you in the turn, so...
No, go for it. If you knock me, then obviously try not to, but oh, my car just wants to step out on that corner. That slowed me down so much. Oh, I'm now drifting all of a sudden.
Oh shit, my bad.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Just keep going, keep going. It's fine.
Taking the inside on this one.
You may try, but you will not succeed. Never
Oh,
mind,
you
there
step
go.
out so much, and then I start going straight. Because I start going straight a lot earlier than you. Because of traction, obviously.
Yeah. It's only also because that I just put foot really early into that when I shouldn't have. And off you go. Again, this corner it
starting
always
to
screws me
fly
up
a bit.
because that corner always screws me up because it's got like a little bit of a hill and you lose all your
Traction, yeah.
traction.
Yeah, that's why I started to fly over there.
Alright, all the way to the bottom. Don't stop this
Uh-oh.
time. Oh, Mr. Sheldon, what are you doing? You're gonna kill us both!
There was some nice scenery, okay? I saw a squirrel.
Oh, I'm right on your bumper. And I'm no longer right on your bumper.
Uh-oh.
No,
I
I
went
drifted
wide.
that last corner by mistake. Wait! Undercut! 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 Oh! You just got that. That was ridiculous. Oh, if I didn't
That was
drift that
super
last corner,
close.
I would have been that extra little inch towards you. And then if I was that little extra inch towards you, I actually would have won that. That was fantastic. That was one of the best races I've ever done.
Dude, that was so close. Especially when it comes to the end over there.
And with that being said, Mr. Sheldon, you have technically won. So, congratulations. We were very close, but unfortunately, you managed to pull it just out of just out of the win there.
The hat? The win? Out of the hat. Yeah.
Although I suppose it also depends if we're counting the uphill and downhill, or
Uh-oh.
off you go. Actually, no, I won because Sheldon is now dead and in a river. So there we go.
Yes, there's no one to testify.
Yeah, there's nobody to question me anymore. Maybe just the Shelby, but it's fine. I'll just push him off anyway. Or he's gonna go hit a crowd and be put in jail anyway, so it's fine. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this episode. Congratulations, Sheldon, for winning. And
Thank you, Sam.
and I'll see you guys all in the next episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and consider subscribing, leaving a comment, as Sheldon just beats my little Miata up. Anyway, until next time, guys. Cheers. Off I go. Whee! I'm already to flip! That was sick!